The package has arrived. What we have here is a POCO C65. Hey babe, lend me the knife. Huh? Come on. Man got to do what a man got to do, innit? Yeah. I don't know, POCO is celebrating their 5th anniversary this year. What better way to do so than to release one of the best, I would say the best entry-level device, POCO C65. Oh, I know so? Because it's using the Helio G85 chipset. If you know chipset, you know for entry-level device, this is one of the best. Here we go. What? Oh man, there's a code. Let me unlock it real quick. Hold on. Bam. Let's see the beauty. Dun, da, da. Thanks to custom, they removed the plastic for me. One less work to do in it. Here we go. Drum roll. Wow. Looking good. These phones are coming in 2 variants. The 128 gig and the 256. Yeah, it feels pretty light. Not much weight to it. Looks sturdy. Put it one side. Let's see what else we have in the box. Come on. So here we have the manual, a pin to remove the SIM card. Remember guys, manual, you must read the manual. So let's put this one side. And what we have, a USB cable. As you know, if you have your old Type-C USB cable, you can still use it also. And this is the charging bank. So it's coming with a 18 watt fast charger. Run down your battery, you know you're guaranteed to get a fairly good quick charge. And that's a 5000 milliamp battery. That's it. I was expecting to get a earphone with this one side. It's not too heavy, as I said. Really light. I'm so excited to get this phone. As you know, it's an entry-level device. If you're not doing a lot of stuff, it's a good phone to have. You can game on it also, yes. Well, it feels good. It has a plasticky feel to it. I wish it did feel a bit premium, but as you know, it's an entry-level device, so it feels sturdy. Come on. When you're making the order, there will be only 3 colors: black, blue, and purple. As the variants, there will be a 6 gig and an 8 gig. I would advise you go for the 8 gig, 256 variant. Come on. I honestly hate doing this sometimes, taking off the plastic off the front. The screen is a 6.74, not 6.67, 6.74. Yes, the LCD screen. Fully HD, 260 pixel density. And guess what? It's not a 60 Hz refresh rate, it's a whopping 90 Hz. Rear camera, 50 megapixel AI. And you know it comes with a 2 macro lens megapixel. So you have a SIM card. Yes, you have a headphone jack. And the Type-C charging, as you know. And the front selfie camera is a 8 megapixel. To be honest, I kind of like it for an entry-level device. Compared to the Samsung, it's not bad. It's slim. It's just slightly bigger than your arm. So that's 168 millimeter. Fit perfect. It would feel like have you ever hold the iPhone, the Pro Max version? It has a feeling like the iPhone, really. So do the setup. You just let that load. Yes, it do use a memory card up to 1 terabyte. These are optional settings for you to use. It's not heavy, it's just pretty light. Screen quality, out of 10, I would give the screen quality a 8. Remember, it's an entry level device. Can't stress that too much. So the 6 gig variant, 128 gig, is going for $129. That's very cheap. While the 8 gig, 256 variant is going for $149. That's super, super cheap. So for the wrap, you know you're getting a powerful Helio G85. So would I advise you to purchase this device? Yes, definitely. As you know, you're getting a powerful Helio G85 chipset, up to 16 gig RAM storage, 50 megapixel AI triple camera setup, a smooth 6.74 inches display with a 90 Hz refresh rate, support 18-watt fast charge, up to 5000 milliamp battery. What more could you ask for? So currently, it's definitely a yes for me. The links will be in the description on where you can get this device. Comment below, tell me what do you want to see next.